Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating simple power and firmware causes. First, charge the controller fully or install fresh power so battery rules are out of the equation. Once powered, plug a USB-C cable into your controller and console to keep a continuous connection. This bypasses auto-sleep. Then launch the Xbox Accessories app and check for firmware updates. Apply any update. These immediate steps stop timeout behavior while you diagnose deeper settings and ensure the controller isn't sleeping due to low charge or outdated firmware. Once done with updates and a wired test, change your console's power mode to Instant On so the wireless radio stays active and the controller won't receive a sleep command. Make sure you're using Xbox Wireless or a USB connection on PC rather than generic Bluetooth, because Bluetooth stacks often drop idle controllers. Also, fit an official rechargeable battery or high-quality AA cells to maintain steady voltage. Fluctuating power causes the controller to cut out. These mid-process steps address ongoing hardware and connection causes methodically. To finish, test your controller for an extended gaming session using the exact setup you'll keep: wired, Xbox wireless, or adapter. If it still turns off, swap in a fresh battery pack or replace the rechargeable module because intermittent voltage is a leading cause. Repair the controller by removing stored accessories in settings and syncing again to clear pairing glitches. If all else fails, contact support or seek warranty replacement, and remember, repairing often fixes persistent disconnects, so try that before buying new hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.